Hello, today I will be introducing you to Microsoft Excel. The Microsoft Excel application is a software that is used as a spreadsheet application. It is an electronic document in which data is arranged in the rows and columns of a grid and can be manipulated and used in calculations. It can also be used to input records. This is the beginner's tutorial and we are using Microsoft Excel 2019. So this is the first page you see when you click on the Microsoft Excel in your computer. As you can see, we have some templates which you can pick from, and we also have more templates here. To begin, we start with a blank workbook by clicking on it. It opens up the Excel spreadsheet layout where you have a lot of buttons and navigations at the top area, and each of them has its purpose. So, below the buttons and navigation area, you can see the empty spreadsheet. This is where you input your figures, your information, and also do your calculations. You will be learning all these in this tutorial series. Excel is a lot different from Microsoft Word, though they have a few things in common. As you can see at the top area, we have a number of buttons and tabs. We have the Save button at the top left corner of the screen, which is used to save the work done on the spreadsheet and prevent loss of data. And when you click on that button, it opens up a smaller dialog box, giving you the option to save the Excel file wherever you want on your computer. Then we move over to the File tab. It contains other options or tabs, like the Save tab, the Save As tab, to save with a different name, the Open tab, to open a different document, the Close tab, the New tab, to start a new spreadsheet, the Print tab, to print your document. And then others such as the Save and Send tab, then the Help tab, the Options tab and Exit tab. Moving on to the Home tab, we see a lot of other buttons and icons that are used to carry out specific functions on the spreadsheet. And then we have the Insert tab, the Page Layout tab, the Formulas tab, the Data tab, the Review tab and the View tab. As we continue in this series, and as we work on the spreadsheet, we would make use of a number of these tabs and functions, and in so doing, you would have a better understanding of how they are used and what they are used for. Directly below, we have an open space, besides the FX. This area is used for imputing your formulas so that they can be used in the spreadsheet. Then below we have the main work area, where we insert our figures and calculations. As you can see, it is made up of columns and rows, and they are all numbered. The columns are divided by the alphabets, as you can see, A, B, C, D, and so on. While the rows are numbered. You can see 1, 2, 3, and so on. And it continues to infinity, depending on the size of your spreadsheet. Items are also inserted and used on the spreadsheet with the intersections in mind. That is, where the columns and the rows meet. For example, where column C and row 4 meet is known as C4, where column F and row 8 meet is F8. And so on. It makes it easy to trace an item or insert formulas into the spreadsheet. Below the spreadsheet we can see Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. These are different sheets and you can work on these sheets together, depending on the complexity of your work. And then we also have a tab by the side. It is for adding extra sheets, as you can see. Alright, we will end this video here, but we will continue in our next video, where I will explain some other aspects and functionalities to you. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.